Number 3 is 2 spools of 3D Printlife 3D printer. The 2 spools of 3D printer is an optimistic and versatile addition to the incredible Robo E3 3D printer, which is undeniably the best choice for tech enthusiasts on a budget under $1,500. This cutting-edge machine is a game-changer packed with innovation and boundless possibilities. Equipped with a fully enclosed design and a HEPA filter, the Robo E3 ensures a clean and safe printing environment. Its auto-calibrating removable print bed guarantees hassle-free setup, while the quick removable nozzle allows for effortless maintenance. But that's not all. The bundle includes 2 spools of 3D Printlife filament featuring their renowned impact-modified Pro PLA. This professional-grade filament takes your creations to new heights with increased strength, enhanced impact resistance, and exceptional layer adhesion. Prepare to bring your wildest ideas to life. To make the experience even more extraordinary, you'll receive 2 hours of online training and a starter plan for MyStemKits, enabling you to integrate 3D printing seamlessly into K-12 STEM lessons. A 2-year warranty and spare parts pack guarantee your peace of mind. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.